Hi and welcome to today's unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Daniel Smith Extra Fine Watercolors. This is three colors of theirs, which is the Pyroline Red, the Hansa Yellow Medium and the French Ultramarine. So I'm assuming that these will be their primary colors, which will help us to get some really nice... oh yeah, this is the primary set. So I'm happy that we've got the primary set. And we're going to try and create something amazing with it. I really like this one they've created. Maybe we can try and recreate this exact same thing. So I am now going to check these colors out. I love how they have given the options at the back where you get to understand how it would be when it is in gradation. These are about 15 ml each. And I think primary set is a very good buy in general because it helps you to mix a lot of colors. You don't need to buy every single color, so that way it is pretty nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just fill these up in small half pans because then I can put them in a tiny box and I can use it accordingly. So let me do that. So I think it's always better that way because you end up probably getting a better value for money. In this case. So I've got this yellow, it's so creamy, it looks really nice. I'm very excited to try this out. Some blue and now some red. So how can you store these? So if you have like these tiny boxes, like I've got this one over here for Sennelier, I bought these extra tubes. I'll probably do an unboxing of this as well in another video and put it up. But you could just carry around, you know, just these three colors this way in tiny boxes. We also get these kind of tin boxes. You can put them in that. I think this is much better. So this one holds a lot of colors or a lot of these half pans. So you can decide if you want to use it for a set which you have more colors of. So that way it's more useful. So this is one. So let's now try and figure out how these work on paper. Like I said, I'm going to try and replicate the same thing. I'm going to try it on the Canson sheets. These are watercolor sheets. This is a mini art book and I'm going to try these colors out on them. So let's try out drawing this and let's figure out how the colors look. So far they look really creamy to me, so I'm quite excited about this. We're going to do a very basic sketch and then we'll try painting inside it. So here is my hot air balloon. Maybe two more. So you can put all the colors right next to each other. And there. So I'm going to also see if I can make this a little lighter, add a little more. We'll check how it is. We'll not make it lighter. We'll just figure out how this works currently, and maybe we'll try out mixing these colors as well. So I'm going to start off with the yellow. A little bit here. This is a handmade palette that I've made, and I've been using it for a while. And I really like how it's working out perfectly for this. So it has like 3 slots. I can just put the 3 colors over there and work. So I took a very little bit of the color, and when I'm mixing it, the color is extremely bright. The pigment is super strong. I think like this tube is going to last me a very long time. It's very strong and amazing. I love the colors. Maybe we'll try and create some leaves after that with this. I'm going to move on now to a little bit of red. This time I'm going to take very little color. It's just like the tip of the brush that I've taken. You can see how strong the color is. Very good. Super smooth. Maybe I'll try a little bit of gradation by adding slightly darker one next to it. It's perfect. So while the red dries, I'm just going to give a little bit of yellow here, and let's add a little bit of red to see how the colors mix with each other to form an orange. Since I didn't wait, it's all blending in with each other here. It's bleeding inside this, but I think it's okay. I like how versatile watercolors are in that way. So now time for some blue. This is what I really like about artist range colors. Sometimes we keep thinking that it's too expensive and maybe we should not invest into it. But if you are an artist who's somebody who paints a lot, who uses a lot of art materials, art supplies, or who's an art enthusiast and somebody who really wants to get better at art, I think investing in some artist grade art supplies makes all the difference in the world. You'll actually get your value for money, because in this case I feel like it's absolute value of money. See how you can make it super dark, you can go super light. Okay. I'm going to now do a small gradation and show you guys, or maybe we will mix our colors. We'll try to make some green and maybe some leaves around. Some darker leaves. I love the colors. I'm super happy with these. I'm going to show you guys another small swatch over here on this side. So this is how the yellow is. Sometimes I feel like even if you look at a swatch, you can't really judge how the color is unless you actually paint with it. So now that I've painted with it, you can see how super smooth the painting is. And the gradation is like very, very nice. There's nothing greeny. We'll make one going this side. So I'm just going to take a little bit of water, gradate it down, and show you how smooth the gradation is. It's lovely. I am very, very, very happy with these colors. I think I will definitely wait for more of this color set and try and get more of this and make a good collection of the Daniel Smith ones. So if you're somebody who's looking to upgrade from your student range into an artist range, then you should definitely give Daniel Smith a go. Thank you so much for joining me for this unboxing. I hope this helped you to solve your problems or solutions you got for buying this paint. If you do like my channel, you can consider subscribing for it, and thank you.